First of all, you have to moisturize your lips with the help of a good moisturizer. Then apply any foundation in very low quantity to your lips, and it will help to obtain the original color, as well as lipstick will stay for long time. After applying foundation, you can apply lipstick with the help of brush. And here you can watch how we can apply lipstick in neat and in a very clear manner. After this, you can apply lipstick to get a bit darker color, and this is the best thing how you can apply lipstick by applying foundation. You must try it. And now you have to clear the edges to give it a very neat and clear look. And after this, you can put your lips against tissue to merge it and to make it a bit clear. Thank you so much for watching.